Exercise 3.3 solve by substitution method. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1 and consider this as equation 2. To solve this by substitution method, first let us consider equation 1. Okay. Consider equation 1. That is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 2x is equal to this plus root 3y. When it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus root 3y. X is equal to, here it is in multiplication. When it will come this side, it will become division. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y. We got the value of x from the equation 1. So, we got this value of x by the equation 1. Now, we have to substitute the value of x in equation 2. So, let us consider equation 2. That is, consider equation 2, that is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is our equation 2. Now let us substitute the value of x in this. Okay, means in the place of x, let us write this value root 3 x means what? Minus root 3 by root 2 into y minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now let us simplify this one. First let me simplify this term. Let me simplify it here. Okay. Here I am simplifying this term, that is root 3 minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by root 2 into y. Root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 9 divided by, that is plus into minus is minus, divided by root 2 into y. Root 9, it is nothing but what? 3, that is minus 3 by root 2 into y. This is the simplified term, simplified answer of this term. Okay. Therefore, this root 3 into minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y, it can be written as minus 3 by root 2 into y. Minus 3 by root 2 into y. Now, look at the second term, that is minus root 8y. How it can be simplified? Here. Root 8. It can be written as 4 2s are 8. Right? Root of 4, it is nothing but what? 2. Therefore, 2, we can take it outside and into root 2. This is the simplified answer of this root 8. Therefore, for this root 8, I can write 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2. For this y, let me write y is equal to 0. Now, nothing is in the denominator means I can take 1. Right? Now, look at these two terms. Here, in these two, y it is common. Right? Therefore, we can take y outside. Now, let us take y outside. Y it is common in both the terms. Y. Therefore, the remaining term is minus 3 by root 2. Minus 3 by root 2. For this minus, we can take, right, minus. 2 into root 2. Nothing is in the denominator means we can write 1 or you can leave it. Okay. Is equal to 0. Now our intention is to find out the value of y. Right. So this is the extra term. What is the relationship for this y and for this term? It is in multiplication, right? This one and this term, it is in multiplication. Therefore, this term, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become division. Therefore, we can write y is equal to 0 by minus 3 by root 2 minus 2 root 2. So 0 by anything is what? 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Okay. We got the value of y, that is 0. So, this y is equal to 0, we can substitute in any of these three equations. That is this one. Now let me consider this as equation A, or in this one, so that you will get the value of x. Now let me substitute in this. Okay. Let me substitute the value of y in this one. So consider equation A. Consider equation A, that is this one. X is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into y. X is equal to minus root 3 divided by root 2 into y. We know that y is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus root 3 by root 2 into y, that is 0. Therefore, what we will get? X is equal to anything into 0 is 0. Therefore, x is also 0. X is 0, y is also 0. Okay. Now take the complete vision of the problem.